Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for those customers who is using Samsung Android S22 model. Okay, so this video is completely dedicated for Samsung S22 model, and if your Samsung S20 model is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, then after hard reset and factory reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will go to the all the process, then you will stuck on this page. You can see here this page name is verify your account. I mean to say it will verify your Gmail ID and password, then after it will access you to go to the home page and start your smartphone. Okay, so if you have your Gmail ID and password, then you may easily bypass this page, but you don't have your Gmail ID and password, so you can't bypass this page. So I will show you how you can bypass this page. This lock is known as FRP lock. So in this video I am going to show you how you can bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung S22 model. Okay, so for this simply you will have to back here, because you can see here there was not any skip option on that page. So with the help of some tips and tricks, we will get a skip option on that FRP lock page. Okay, so you can see here this is the welcome page. After hard reset and factory reset, you will get a such type of display here. Firstly, you should charge your phone at least 30%, otherwise it may be possible your phone would be switch off in this process. So you can see here my smartphone's battery is only 70%. So I am going to connect my charger to the phone, because it's very necessary to charge your phone. Otherwise you can also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this method. Okay, so firstly you will have to change the language here. Simply you will have to select the language from English India to English USA, then you will have to go to the OK option. Mark my word, this method is only applicable for S22, and maybe possible other model will be unlocked with the help of this method. So you can also try with the other model. Okay, it's not compulsory that all the methods, all the model will support this method. Okay, so let's start this method. Firstly, you will have to change the language from English India to English US. Then after you will have to click on this start option here. You will have to go to the emergency call option here. Now here you will have to dial a special USSD code, and that USSD code is *#0*#. When you will click on this *#0*#, you will get a such type of display. Here you will get a lots of option, but you will have to go with the option that is showing here your version. Simply you will have to click on this version option. When you will click on this version option, it will show you your phones all the models that like AP, CP and CSC and your model. So simply you will have to wait on this page for minimum 5 seconds. Then after you will have to go to the back option here. Now you can see here the another option is showing here sensor. Simply you will have to click on this sensor option. Then after you will have to continue wait 5 seconds on this page. Then after you will have to go to the back option here. Okay, now you will have to click on this blue option, and you will have to display this blue. Then after 5 seconds you will have to touch on the any side of the screen to go to the back here. Now after that you will have to go to the red here. Then after you will have to click anywhere on the display to go to the back here. Now okay, now after that simply you will have to go to the back option here, and you will have to reach to the start page. Okay, now after that go to the start option here. You will have to select all these options and select here. Then after you will have to go to the agree. Okay, now next you will have to click on this agree option again. Now one more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, in this method your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network, because without Wi-Fi you cannot access this method to FRP bypass of your S22 model. So you can see here I have connected my smartphone to the Wi-Fi network. So after that you will have to activate your phone's TalkBack option. Okay, and to activate your TalkBack option, simply you will have to press the volume up button and the power button for the 5 seconds. Press and hold and release. Okay, so press and hold, just a minute, and release. Now you will have to click on this use option. Then after again you will have to do the same here. Press, hold and release. Now here you will have to draw a opposite L here. Now you will have to click on this while using the app, double tap. Now you will have to click on this use voice command, double tap. Open Google Assistant. Open setting. Now when your setting option will be appear on your phone display, simply you will have to switch off the talkback option, and again you will have to repeat the process. Press the power button and the volume up button at the same time and release to switch off the talkback here. Now you can see here talkback option has been switched off. Now after that, simply you will have to go to the lock screen option, and you will have to go to the down here, and you will have to go to the fingerprint option. You will have to click here. Now here you will get a pop-up that will show here continue. Simply you will have to click on this continue option 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that, simply you will have to go to the back option. Now you can see here the second option is showing here face recognition. Simply you will have to click on this face recognize option, and again you will have to click on this continue option 5 times. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now both the thing has been done. After that, simply you will have to go to the back option. Now after that, you will have to click on this about lock screen. Simply you will have to click on this option. Okay, now here it will take some time, and you will have to click on this open source license. Now here you will get a lots of thing on this page, but you will have to copy this web address. Okay, simply you will have to copy this web address. Okay, you will have to copy this web address. Then after, you will have to go to the back option here. Again you will have to go to the back, and again you will have to go to the back. Now here you will have to make one more changes here on this page, that is a general management option. Now here you will have to go to the reset option and click on this reset option. Then after, you don't have to do anything. Simply you will have to go to the back option and close this talkback option. Okay, now all the things had been done. Now simply one more thing you will have to do. Simply you will have to go to this add network option. Okay, now after that, you will have to click on this view more option here, and you will have to make some changes here. You will have to change here IP setting, and you will have to click on this static option. Now here you will have to change this IP address, and you will have to click here 888.000.99.88. Then after, you will have to type the same in gateway 888.000.99.88. Okay, now you will have to use this same as it is 24, that is network prefix length, and you will have to type the same, that is 8.8.8.8, and you will have to type the same 8.8.4.4. okay. Now all the things on this page has been done. After that, simply you will have to go to the back option here. Okay, now again you will have to tap on this add network option. Now after that, you will get an option that is setting. Here you can see here setting option is showing here. Simply you will have to click on this setting option. Now you will have to go to the language and types. You will have to click on this. Now here you will have to click on this manage input language here, and you will have to select sorry, you will have to select here all the English or whatever is showing on your display. Okay, so you will have to select here English US, English UK. Then after, you will have to select that is Marathi English. You will have to select all the English whatever will be shown on this display. Then after, you will have to go to the back option here. Then after, again you will have to go to the back option here. Now the second option is showing here text shortcut, and yeah, you will have to go with this text shortcut option, and you will have to click on this add option. Now here you will have to type here Samsung S22 then FRP. You will have to type here Samsung S22 FRP bypass. Then you will have to paste that web address which you had copy in setting option. Simply you will have to paste here. Now after that, you will have to click on this add Now after that you will have to go to the back option here. Now all the settings has been done. Simply you will have to go to the back and back. Okay, now after that you will have to reach to the starting page here. Okay my friend, now you will have to start this again. You will have to select all these options here. Now go to the agree. Now here you will have to unselect the option that is showing here nearby device and nearby device. Then after you do both nearby device, you will have to uncheck here. Now go to the agree option here. Now after that you will have to go to the next option here. Now here you will get two options. The first one is showing here don't copy and the second one is showing here next. Simply you will have to select this don't copy option here. Now after that let's check what happened here. So my friend, you can see here the skip option on this page. You can see here showing here. So now here you don't have to log in with your Gmail ID and password. It means you had bypassed the FRP lock here. Now there is no any problem. You can easily skip this page here with the help of skip button. Now skip this page here. Now after that go to the accept. If you want to use new pin pattern and password, so you can apply here. So I am going to select a pin pattern lock here. So you can also choose a single screen lock here. So I will suggest you select a screen lock here, because in this process if you unlock your phone and if you have to use new pin pattern and password lock within 1 hour with the help of this method. Otherwise your phone will be locked again with the previous lock. Okay, so make sure in this process when your phone is unlocked, I mean to say if your phone has been bypassed with the FRP, you will have to use new pin pattern and password. Okay, so skip this page here, skip here. So you will get this type of pop-up. You can see here you're all set up and you will get a finish option. Simply you will have to click on this finish and go to the OK, agree this page. So here you can see here it's asking to choose a language. So you can also skip this page, but I will suggest you select a language single here and then go to the next option. Go to the continue and install and finish. So you can see here the Samsung Android smartphone, the model is S22, has been completely FRP bypassed and a screen lock has been removed. You can see here. So this is a very easy process. You can use this method to FRP bypass of your Samsung S22 model with the help of without any visiting any service center, and you can sitting at home you can FRP bypass of your Samsung S22 model. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. And if your smartphone is unlocked with the help of this method, then do the like this video. And if you could not do this, then make us comment where you're stuck in this method. Our team will definitely respond on your comments. Thank you so much.